Good afternoon. This is George LeMieux from the Gunster Law Firm. It is Monday, May 30th, around 6:30 p.m. A little later with our daily update today on all issues concerning law and business involving the COVID-19 virus, because there's been some late developments today that we knew were going to happen, with the governor forecasting that he was going to issue an executive order applying to South Florida today. But let's first start with the numbers. Today, as of 6 o'clock, we have 775,000 people around the world who have tested positive for the COVID-19 virus. In the United States, that number is 159,000. Amazingly, New York is 66,497 of that number, more than a third of the number, and approaching the number that other countries have had, and really now probably in the top 6 or 7 if you consider New York as a breakaway from the U.S. in terms of the number of cases. In Florida, 5,704 cases with, unfortunately, 71 fatalities as of 6 p.m. today. This evening, the governor issued an Executive Order 89, and that executive order is a new order that says the non-essential business closures for Southeast Florida are going to be preempted by the state, that the state is adopting the Miami-Dade County order on the closure of non-essential businesses, and all the amendments to that order that have been put in place. That now will apply to Monroe, Miami-Dade, of course, Broward County, and Palm Beach County as the new order. That request was made by the 4 counties to have one uniform order in place. So if a particular city or county has had their own orders, those orders now are put aside. Miami-Dade County's order is the order for all 4 counties. You need to check that order. It's very detailed to see how it applies to your business. You can see it on our website at gunster.com/COVID-19. And also in that order, the governor says that essential establishments have the responsibility to adopt and maintain reasonable measures to ensure sanitation and cleanliness of their premises, putting that responsibility with those service providers. So that's the new order that's in place, and it's in place until April 15 for Southeast Florida. Finally, we've been advising our clients all day today and working throughout the weekend to analyze the CARES Act that we talked about last week. According to Secretary Mnuchin and Larry Kudlow, as of Friday, there should be the opportunity to start receiving loans. If you have questions about whether or not your company qualifies for one of these new loans under the Small Business Administration, a $349 billion funding program that eventually, under certain circumstances, allows those loans not to be paid back and to really just be grants, go to the gunster.com/COVID-19 website, get the information there, and then we're also happy to answer any questions that you have. Stay safe out there. We're going to get through this, Florida. Talk to you tomorrow.